Want to fix the free up space error in Google Play Store? This issue can happen because of hidden app cache, corrupted Play Store data, or your phone needing more free space than the app shows. Don't worry, here's a simple way to solve this problem quickly and easily. But before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm by tapping Delete. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play services. Open your phone's settings. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play services. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space and then clear all data. Solution 3. Uninstall Play Store updates. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Uninstall Updates and confirm. This will revert the Play Store to its factory version. Open the Google Play Store again. It will automatically update in the background. Try downloading your app after it updates. That's all you need to do. Trying any of these steps should fix the free up space error in Google Play Store. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.